in South Carolina.
I was looking at the other people.
Where is she? Oh, she's playing with the
Whippet.
whippet. Whippet good.
That's recorded.
Cornball. There she goes. Starting the run. Alright, run Bailey, run! Just keeps running. Good girl. Do something? Get on the dogs. Bailey the ham. Look at her. Can't run with the big dogs. Where's the beagle on the other side of the fence?
They didn't want to bring him over to the big dog side.
Mm. Whoops!
She's a little thug sometimes.
She is a little beast.